Okay, we are at 6, so we still have 1.75 mile plus 322, 0.09 and 122, 1.25. So that's 1.75 plus 0.09 is 1.84. 1.8, so it's like 3.09. We said 3.09 mile.
3.09.
Yeah. Until I reach the car. Hope the car's still there. How about me, man? Okay. Yes, okay.
Dude, I thought you were coming back.
That's alright, that's water.
Wanna go front?
Oh man.
Hold on. Wow, that was fun. Yeah,
It is fun, yeah.
that was good.
The current was strong.
Yeah, I mean,
I like it.
very clear, right? The water. What do you want to check this?
This is deep.
It is still clear.
Alligators, get away from our lane.
I heard somebody call me.
Away!
Oh man. Yeah, this is bad. This is kind of bad. It's like so much dirt, man.
It's alright, I think we can do it.
Welcome to Jumanji.
There's alligator over there.
Wow.
Where?
It's over there.
It's right there.
Facing.
Which
Yes.
way it's gonna go?
It's facing that way.
Where's the kid on the left?
It's facing that way.
Hey, Gator, my friend, man.
Yeah. They just make some noise.
I know I'm not from US,
Don't,
but don't judge me.
just walk slow, steady, in front. Walk from here.
Sorry, buddy, man. I don't want to ruin your daily routine. Yeah, good. I don't even care. All right, we have been out here for how many hours? For
5 hours, maybe.
5 hours.
5 hours already.
Okay.
It was really fun.
What's the first thing come out your mind right now?
And alligators, I'm not scared about them anymore.
Alligators?
They run
Okay.
away from human beings.
Okay, we just seen like that's like 6 feet, right? No, it's more than 6
More
feet.
than it's a 12 footer at least. 12 footer,
12
30
yeah.
footer.
How many pounds do you think you weighed?
It's gonna be a lot. Yeah. Don't mess with the alligator. They'll leave you alone. You both
Yeah.
can peacefully live.
Yeah. Don't freak out.
Don't freak out. Yeah.
If you freak out, they freak out.
Right.
Because they might think you are attacking them, right? Like,
True.
yeah.
What will we attack them with?
I don't know. It's a mouse.
Okay. I saw another parking symbol there. So hopefully we are close
All right.
for the 6th spot.
I mean,
Oh man, it's like up to
do you
Sam.
regret
Don't
it?
get worried.
Do you regret it? Waking up early.
No man,
Come here.
I like it.
like
we
it?
have to do it again, but like not this
Not this long.
long.
It's like
Yeah.
this one's 12 miles.
Yeah, we maybe
So-
like 6 miles is good.
So we are at 8 miles
Yeah.
mark. 8 mile mark.
Yeah, so we have 4 miles to go.
Yeah, it's like
And
2:46 right now.
Yeah, still 3.
I mean, maybe you need 2 more hours.
Yeah.
Working for 2 more hours.
Yeah. Still, it is fun.
It's a good experience.
Yeah,
Would you do this?
adventurous too, like
You feel
those alligators on the
I
way.
get it, yeah.
Now we are experienced. Like
Yeah, now
how
you don't
we-
care.
like how we deal with
Alligators, you don't get shocked. Unless the mouth is wide open,
Yeah.
like pointing at you.
them. Yeah,
Now you'll be
that
concerned.
one we had like mouth open, like I was
Yeah, it's like
yeah,
you
scared,
want to
but like
bite, you want to bite
I
someone.
used to it.
Guys, we reached number 3, man. Here, finally, man. After 2 miles, right? With all those swamps, waters.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. So we have 1.5 mile to see our car, new car
Yeah.
actually.
It's our car.
It's
Your
our
friends.
car. Yeah, it's my car too. Yeah, I paid part of it.
Right.
No, I didn't pay it. Shit.
Yeah, I'll sell the
So-
Mazda to get my share.
Yeah. I don't feel tired at all after all this, after 10 miles, right? Like walking 10 miles.
Maybe,
Right?
maybe in the middle, right? When we were towards the half
Yeah.
of that, we all felt a little bit tired. Like once we took the rest and water, that's it, man. We're back to the farm.
Yeah. I don't feel tired at all.
But guys, this is a must visit.
Yeah, make sure you bring a lot of water.
A lot of water.
Yeah, a lot
Better not with kids.
not with kids, man. Depends on how old the kid is.
Right, that too.
I mean, if you want to just walk for like 2-3 miles, that's fine.
2 more miles.
Now I want Mountain Dew.
There's one in the car
Yeah, with ice.
with the ice.
With huge ice cube, man. A huge ice cube.
You get on the ice cube
Yeah.
and drink the mountain.
And just dump the whole ice cube on my over my head. Would you come here again to walk the whole thing, the whole 12 miles?
I
Maybe
won't come here like
after a year, maybe.
if it is if it is with friends, for sure, right? But alone, it's gonna be a tough job.
Alone, man, you don't get motivated.
True. You need
no one to talk.
friends.
You know when to talk to.
You need people, man.
It's like, hey, I got the Gators. Then you walk around like there's no one here.
True.
Only you and Gators.
Right.
Now I'm ready to get my ice cream. I
No,
deserve-
no more exhibition for alligators, man. So we saw like 13, around 13. I forget
Yeah.
the count. Around 13 big ones, like
Yeah.
more than 7 footers, and 25, 30 small ones.
The baby Gators. There's a lot of.
This is
baby
the spot we saw in the morning. I remember now.
This one
Yeah, here, exactly here.
in the morning. It's gone now.
And then shift is over.
It's brunch time. No, it's not brunch time. No, it's afternoon.
Shift is over.
The shift is over. Exhibit, man. Show yourself. It's free. You can come here anytime you want, and it's free. That's the thing I like about nature trail. If you
What
go
is
to,
it? Song.
you go to the zoo, you had to pay for the ticket. And have to
It's
pay for the-
captivated too.
Also, it's like human modified, right? Like it's modified. The environment is modified. It's not nature anymore. It's like you're just here to see the animals.
Yeah.
It's not. How do you say? It's not natural habitat.
Yeah, they are not captivated, so
Yeah.
they enjoy their life. and kept undisturbed, and we see them.
This one? No. Is it-
Yeah, correct.
It's not this-
one.
it's not
We've
this
had
one.
more space, right?
I don't remember.
More main-
I don't remember.
See, somebody peed and kept it.
Oh man, look at that. Guys, don't do that, man. When you go to nature trail, don't
Right.
don't leave
It's
any.
better-
Don't leave.
don't leave any plastic.
Yeah, plastic bottle. Yeah, it's gonna ruin it. It is good place. Good place.
It's not the place we sit, right?
Look at this. Somebody, I think somebody pee in the bottle.
I guess. Yeah.
Want some water? We got less water, less Mountain Dew. Right, that's all we got. So. Nice.
So where are we? What's the name of this park?
Park.
I forgot.
Oh man, I
What's the
forgot.
bird?
It's a cockery.
It's a cockery bird swamp. I think.
Yeah.
It's a bird. That's a name.
Alligator spawn.
No, it's a cockery from swamp.
Reach number 6.
I don't like this. I cannot split my camera.
I'm happy.
You look like a monk now. Become a Zen.
Yeah.